Hello guys, welcome back. Now we created the coefficient and the things in it. But the real thing is that we want to put these things in a Excel to see it better. Like how? Let me just go to our and create something and call it, create a new Excel and call it, for example, what we call it, Quef, for example. Let's open it. We want to copy these lines. No, we don't want. We just go here and copy A, B. We copy the course A, B, R2 diff. Now save it and save it as an Excel, no, as a CSV. Save it. Okay, now our CSV file is ready. What we want to do, we want to import this list to our CSV file. Let's search how to import list to our CSV file Python. No, how to read a CSV, no, these are not the answer. How to import list to our CSV file in Python. No, these are not the answers. They are giving us something wrong. Okay, let's change the creating a pandas data frame with lists. This is the answer. Let me just close this. They are just using our RAM. Let's set some proxy. Okay. Not this side. I don't. Okay, let's go and see. This is data. pd.dataframe data. No, we don't want to do it from no numbers. This is the good thing. I can handle that, I think. Okay, go here, create another line. Let me just duplicate it and see what happened. I want to just test something, if it's work or not. Five one is 5.2. It's not working as I think. Oh, sorry, I forgot it. We do it just in our project 1. We can use it. My memory is crashed. Sorry. Okay, let's open it. Just go to our project 1. And here I think we rewrite our CSV file. Okay, file to CSV. This is the comment and it's really easy. Okay, at first let's read our CSV file. Here I think let's read our CSV file here. file. For ll we have quef and file. Let's see what we have. Oh, sorry, we file course a b r2 def. Okay, file course is equal to, let me put them equal to list. Let's see, list. Okay, list is not defined. Why? Oh, the L is little l. List. Now we just need to do this for a file. A is equal to, I think, list a file b. They are ba or big B. Let's see to don't make another mistake. B, it's a small b. List b file r2. Let's see, as r2 is equal to list. Let's see if the first L is big or not. It's big. List r2 and file. The last, but the list diff. Okay, list diff. Let's see, I have list x. We save it in list x. Run it. Now we just need to import this data to our CSV file. Let's just close it and save file to CSV. We just copy this line and put it back here. Okay, let's go to our quef file. It has nothing to say. Void. Let's check. Let's see what file have. A b course is none. quef.csv. Let's see which one is quef. Properties. This file is CSV. Let's open it. Okay. Diff is final. No. What is the problem for the end line? Okay, this is just for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will end this lesson in the tomorrow. Have a good day.